How to download Microsoft Access. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Store and search for Microsoft 365 or Office 365 and download it. After it's downloaded, open app and you'll find Buy Microsoft 365 option on top. You will find all these packages. Simply select the one you prefer where there is Microsoft Access or simply go to install apps. For this, you need to go premium. After that, you can simply install apps, which is Microsoft Access. You cannot download it without paying for it. And this is how to download Microsoft Access. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.